Someone submitted a request on our Instagram to see other delivery other than Robert doing delivery. So we're obliging. We're doing a delivery here off Malines Road in the Marvelly community. So we have one of our driver here, Fabian, approaching the customer. This is Norma's Meat and Vegetable, which is a cornerstone of the Marvelly community, who has been a customer for some time now. And we're handing the package to the granddaughter of the owner of the establishment. Her name is Amelia, and she's handed Fabian her ID. Fabian is checking the ID and scanning the package. One of her goals is to be COVID compliant. As you can see, Fabian wears a mask when he interfaces with the customer. The customer elects not to wear a mask, but the customer is well within her right to do so.
Fast, efficient, and fast and efficient.
Yes.
And the person don't want to leave the house.
Exactly. Yes.
And stay at home and get her package delivered safe and in great shape.
Thank you so much for that. Say hi to the peeps for me.
Hi.
All right. Thank you so much for that. Lillian, how was that for you?
It was wonderful.
Awesome. Great.
Smooth and
Yes. Awesome. Good. All right, guys. Thank you so much. All right, peeps. See you later. Bye. Yeah. All right, guys. We are here in the heart of New Kingston. For you guys, you know this what this is. So, Fabian is going to do a delivery. If you notice here, guys, he's sanitizing his hand. He has his mask on. We're following the COVID-19 protocols. The customers has agreed to us doing the video, so we're going to go up now and make the delivery. Come along with us, guys. New Kingston! Yes. Okay, guys, we're at the location. Fabian is going in. The customer is heading to us. Yeah? Yes, sir. He's coming to us.
So I'm unboxing my shipment that I received from Island Shippers. I did an Amazon purchase of a Kindle Fire and another tablet. Quick delivery, great customer service, and it was sanitized. How do I pull this now? And I'm unboxing my tablet, which is right here. Thank you, Island Shippers. Thank you.